Hello people, today we are going to learn about multiplying and dividing the real numbers. So let's see. When you multiply or divide two numbers, the sign of the number determines whether the result is positive or negative. So here is a table to remember. If both the numbers involved are positive, then the product or quotient is positive. Product in case of multiply and quotient in case of divide. If one is negative, the result is negative. If both are negative, the result is positive. So positive, negative, positive, positive, negative, positive. Sorry, positive, negative, negative, positive, negative, positive. So if both are positive or both are negative, the result is always positive. If any one is negative, the result is negative. Multiplying and divide the number with the same sign. If two numbers have same sign, their product or quotient is positive. For example, 4 multiplied by 5, both are positive number, is equal to 20. So 20 is positive. If we divide minus 15 divided by minus 3, both are negative. If both are negative, the answer is positive. Multiplying and dividing with different sign. In case of different sign, the result is always negative. If two numbers have different sign, their product or quotient is negative. Like 6 3s are 18, which has one negative sign, so minus 18. Similarly, 7 2s are 14, which has one negative sign, so it is minus 14. Similarly, 10 divided by 5 is 5 2s are 10, so minus 2. Let's do an example by ourselves. Minus 1 by 2 multiplied by 4. So it will be minus 4 divided by 2, which is equal to minus 2. 2 2s are 4, so minus 2 is the answer. So the product of two numbers with different sign, minus and plus, where different sign will always have a negative answer. So minus 2 is the answer here. Let's do this. Minus 44 divided by minus 4. Both has a negative sign. If both has negative or positive sign, the result is positive because there are two negative signs. So 44 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 ones are 4. So it will be like 11. 11 fours are 44. So answer is 11. The quotient of two numbers with the same sign is positive. Let's do this example. Here 1 is negative and other is positive. 3 multiplied by 2 by 3. So this 3 cancels this 3, but minus remains because there is one negative sign. So minus 2 is the answer here. Two numbers are reciprocal if their product is 1. A number and its reciprocal are called multiplicative inverses. The inverse property of multiplication says the product of a non-zero real number and its reciprocal is 1. So 4 is multiplied by 1 by 4 will always give 1. So a number and its reciprocal when multiplied always gives 1. So in general you can remember this: a multiplied by 1 by a is 1, or 1 by a multiplied by a is always equal to 1, where a is not equal to 0. Here both are negative or both are positive numbers, which will give you 1. If any one is negative and other is positive, it will not be 1, it will be minus 1. So only in case of both positive and both negative number, this rule holds. To divide by any number, you can multiply by its multiplicative inverse, especially with fractions. So let's see one example. Minus 1 by 2 divided by 4 by 3 can again be written as minus 1 by 2 divided by minus 1 by 2 is divided by 4 by 3. So minus 1 by 2 is divided by minus 4 by 3, which can also be written as minus 1 by 2. Reciprocal of 4 by 3 is 3 by 4. So in case of division, we just do the reciprocal of the one number and multiply it together. So now the answer will be 3 multiplied by 1 and 4 divided by 4 multiplied by 2. 3 multiplied by 1 is 3 and divided by 4 multiplied by 2. 4 2 is 8. And there is a minus sign, so minus 3 by 8 is the answer. Similarly for this one, there is 8 by 9 divided by. Whenever there is a divided by sign, we can turn it into multiplication by doing the reciprocal of the other number. Since this is a mixed number, we first need to convert into the improper fraction. So improper fraction will be 3 multiplied by 2, which is 6 plus 2, which is 8. 3 2 is 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 by 3 is the improper fraction. So 8 by 3, reciprocal of 8 by 3 is 3 by 8. 3 divided by 8. So the answer would be this 8 and this 8 cancels each other. 3 3s are 9. So answer will be 1 by 3. So in case of mixed number, we first have to convert it into improper fraction and then do the reciprocal for division, and then multiply them together to get the answer. You can write the reciprocal of a number by switching the numerator and denominator. A number written without denominator has a denominator of 1. Let's do another example. Another example would be 3 by 4 multiplied by 9 minus 9. There is no denominator, that means denominator is 1. So in case of 3 by 4 divided by minus 9, so minus the reciprocal of minus 9 is 1 by minus 1 by 9. So we will multiply minus 1 by 9, which is reciprocal of minus 9. So now we will multiply both the improper fraction together, so to get the answer. So what will be the answer? 3 3s are 9. So 3 will cancel 9 with a 3. So we will multiply 4 and 3. 4 and 3 together. 4 3s are 12. So minus 1 by 12 will be the answer. Multiply 3 into 1 minus 3, and denominator 4 into 9. 9 4s are 36, and then you can again cut 3 divided by minus 36. I'll do it again. Multiply the numerator together, that means 3 multiplied by minus 1 divided by 4 multiplied by multiplying denominator together, 9. Then what again we can write? Minus 3 divided by 9 4s are 36. Now we can cancel 3. 12 3s are 36. So we can do minus 1 by 12, which is minus 1 by 12 is the answer. Properties of 0, we can remember this. The product of any number and 0 is 0. You multiply anything with 0, the answer will be 0. 0 divided by a number. The quotient of 0 and any non-zero number is 0. So whenever 0 is divided by any number, the answer is 0. 0 divided by any number, the answer is 0, where the number is not 0. Number itself, like 0 divided by a is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0. Because whenever there is a division by 0, it is undefined. Like 12 divided by 0 is not defined. Minus 5 by 0 is undefined. A divided by 0 is undefined. So anything divided by 0 is undefined. So guys, I hope you got some idea on the multiplication and division of the real numbers. So remember the properties, which are very easy to remember. Thanks for watching, and come back to my channel for more videos on maths. Thanks.